guys, I'm in the car with Nacho. Now waiting for Daddy. This is the bike shop. Ayan, in the car with Chok Chok Chok. Oh, iiyak ka na naman! Wag! Daddy's just going for a lip. He's crying! Medyo matindi ang sepangs ni Botchok sa tatay. Ayan, oh. Sinisilip pa nga. Oh, we're gonna jump Nacho in Bokawe. What a cutie! Dito tayo kay Papu. We're in Clark now. Bakit? Ba't ka pupupulaw? Huwag yung risky na dyan. Ito yung sa headshot sa
headshot. Dito sa harap? Ay, okay.
Front helmet. Hindi mukha ako. Sino ka mukha ko? Excited ka?
Exciting.
Excited ka? Ba't ayaw mo magpa-video?
Kaya ako eh.
Playboy kasi siya. Morning. Time check. 5:01. Are you ready? Ready? You got everything you need? He's got everything he needs. And me, I'm ready to eat. Are you ready? Umuulan ngayon. Let's go. Hi! So, nakabalik na ako sa antayin ko na lang si Jen na makabalik. So, probably mamaya pa yun. Kasi, 7 pa lang. By the way, I'm now on volume number 7 of the essay. Hello! Sabi ni Jen, malapit na siya, so sunduin na natin siya.
With a time of 4 hours, 8 minutes, and 24 seconds, bid number 202, Salat Luzon!